Jara Brillantes. I'm excited to go outside the university regarding talking about rights, because one of the reasons that I went to law school is pretty much about advocacy and policies. So going to the grassroots level, to the community and talk about laws is always a great opportunity to make law closer to people.
But more importantly, ako I would like to believe that this is a way for legal education to be more holistic.
Hi, my name is Albert Jan Matthew Arandela Hava, fourth year JD, Juris Doctor student at Central Philippine University.
Sigurado ko yung excited na yung mga law students natin. Especially kay oportunidad niya nga mag-apply sang ilang nabalaan. Kumbaga, kung sa theory lang, kakapoy magpanomdom, kakapoy magbasa, pero kung ma-apply mo na gari, dira mo na siya mas ma-appreciate.
We will be discussing about cyberbullying and voters education. The content of these lectures is pretty much designed for young students coming from the 2nd District and from Muton. Kung ako isa ka na teenager, high school, or at that age level, and then I'll read about this outreach ng mga abogado sa mga law students. It's a great plus because subong feeling mo you can just say anything. You feel you are obligated to give your opinion, feeling mo you have a platform to talk about anything. Kung ikaw may mamit nga abogado, opportunity ni siya sa akon kung ako teenager nga mamangkot kung paano bala masubstantiate kung akong pang-inchindi.
Isa sa mga nagahatag sa akon sang kalipay sa pagtuon sang layi is kung makitaan mo ang imong quote-unquote kliyente na kumbinsi man nga nakabulig ikaw. So ang amo ni ang alalayi magiging avenue gid sa ating mga law practitioners para nga makabulig man kag maka-apply sa ilang learning.
Because the law applies to all, and most especially sa mga kabataan. So there are things nga may mga ginaobra kita nga hindi kita aware kung anong mga consequences yun. So by having alalay, we are guided kung anong mga dapat natin himuon or mga hindi dapat natin himuon, and what will be our part sa community to make this better and beautiful for everybody, where we can work well together to make a better and good society in the future.
More progress, Iloilo, alalayi for you.
More progress Iloilo, alalay for you.
More progress, Iloilo, alalay for you.